Hi, my dear students. You are now not only my students but also my friends and well wishers. As I became very old, I want something special so that I can entertain myself. I can feel happy in your company, which is very, very needful and helpful for me in these old days. I should not feel loneliness as you are all my students and friends. You can keep me happy rest of my life. I must enjoy the good old feelings which I have shared and inculcated you in my school, that is the Little Roses esteemed one and only convent in Kalyandurg, the first convent in Kalyandurg, in which many of my friends and well-wishers joined their children and encouraged me for more than 20 years. Now I welcome you all, as you are well grown up and you are leading your own life in your happy way, elated way. So now you can share feelings without any fear or favor, which I badly need of in this 77 years of age. I hope you will entertain me. You see our beautiful location with full of greenery and the idol, the statue of Veena Pani, that is Saraswati Devi, Sarada Devi, which resided in our esteemed convent, reputed convent, one and only convent that maintained moral values, inculcated education along with ethics, which are very essential to build your character. You are all now self-made, independent persons with good feelings and with good emotions. You can share all your feelings which are very, very useful to the present generations. Once again, I welcome you all. I feel very, very happy to see you all in my WhatsApp group, that is the Little Roses, between 1980 to 2002. I think you are very, very happy to join in this group. Now you can freely, everyone can share your feelings through messages or videos, whatever you want. So I too feel very, very happy to share my feelings, which keep me very active and busy. I should not feel loneliness, which is very, very dangerous. ఒంటరితనముందే చాలా అపాయకరమైంది. రానిపోనటువంటి ఆలోచనలు వస్తుంటాయి. వాటన్నింటినీ నుంచి నేను బయటపడాలంటే మీ యొక్క ఫీలింగ్స్ నాతో షేర్ చేసుకోండి. అవే నాకు ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్, ఒక విధంగా బూస్ట్. కాబట్టి మరొక్కసారి మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ నా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్కు ఆహ్వానిస్తూ మనమందరూ ఎల్లప్పుడూ హ్యాపీగా మన మనోభావాలను ఒకరితో ఒకరు పంచుకునే సదవకాశం కలిగించాను. దీని సద్వినియోగం పరుచుకుంటారని ఆశిస్తూ శుభం భూయాత్.